Hi guys, I'm John and this is Allison. We are the owners and hosts of Little Talladega Bed and Breakfast here in Pomona, Missouri. We typically throw unique gatherings for about 20 people, but in certain situations we have like the invitational drift events, we have accommodate up to or over 100 people. So we've been looking at different ways to have outdoor facilities for when we do have larger groups, and we found a really awesome solution from Chupp Industrial. They hooked to our existing septic system, and I really don't think we could have got a more luxurious outdoor bathroom solution than we did from Chupp Industrial.